Tired little eyes, look. He's tired.
I'm so tired.
Tired. Look at his eyes. Oh, he's all tired.
Oh, go away.
Go to sleep. Oh, he's gone. I'm getting up for you, stupid idiot. I should have just shut up so they all won't feed him.
Word up, Pat. Oh, wrong way. Hey, Pat, you're on camera. Wrong. Don't look at the flash. Don't look at the camera. Don't you rub up my legs. Right, let's spin it.
Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some.
Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some. To the light, is it a moth or is it is it a moth? can see the Shox right down to the bottom. If you look right down there, let me just pop you in. I don't know whether you'll actually see. Should be a load of things down there. Turned it off. So yeah, this is nice. Look, that's sort of like a hard plasticky rubber sort of thing. These are like they're like 3M. I don't think they are 3M. They look like it though, but they've got black underneath to make them. This is like a ripstop. This is quite a thick mesh. You've got 3M there. This is actually suede here. You've got a plastic thing there with an S inside. You've got the word. Oh, fuck. Right, I'll carry on with these indoors. Something really doesn't want me to do these today. What I was saying is this is suede here. It goes all the way down to there. This is 3M round here. You've got 3M on the back there, here, and that's suede as well. You've also got like a plastic, hard plastic, and that's got the S inside. That's sort of the spring, isn't it? The Shox spring logo. Underneath there you've got the hard, really hard plastic. This is like a coated leather. I don't know whether it's I've got a belt like that. I can't remember what it was called. Not perforated. What's it called when you put something on top? Laminated leather. Laminated coated leather. As you can see, you've got that there. The 3M shining away. Or if you can't see, there's some on the back. It's like it looks like a mask, like a macho thingy, like wrestling mask. This is quite a hard kind of a, I can't think what it's like, a faux, it's not, it's like a, I can't think what that's what it is. Then you've got the rest of the thing there, look, front. This is like plastic rubber. This is ripstop. More 3M there on the toes and there, and that's about it. And in there, look, you've got that. Goes all the way down to there, so all of that shows you basically where the Shox are. If you can see, I'll show you as much as I can. So we're right at the front there, look, there's 3 Shox in this bit here. That's what it's showing anyway, 3. One here, and one there. Sort of coming down there. They're the bottoms. In there, look, you've got, it's actually in this pod here, the middle pod, you've got inside there is, it's like a magnifying glass that it kind of goes in. It goes inwards and it sort of magnifies that S so that you can see it bigger than it is. And that, these bits here, that's the bit I love. On the black ones with the orange. These look really good. This is hard plastic, this is rubber. And that's about it. That's all I'm going to do for now. It's, you know, I've got so many to do, it's unreal. I've just brought the, I won't say because I've probably put these on before then. I was going to put them on. I keep telling people, oh, I'm going to get these on, I'm going to get them on. If I tell you something, you really want to see them, just remind me, because I forget. Being a bit mentally messed up in the head, I forget so easily. Yeah, that kind of goes in there, look. It goes in and that sticks. That's all in there, and you can see through there, look. Kind of see right through there, right through there. And then on this side here, I can just do till somebody comes in the room, and then I'm going to have to stop. So yeah, that's it today really. That's all I'm going to do. Sorry about the crappy reviews. Thanks very much. See you later.